Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing? Hope you've all had a really good day. My day's been really busy. I have literally just been working from morning until about half an hour, 45 minutes ago. So hence my face is very bare. So yeah, it's not looking great. It's just been a really busy day today. What I did do, I did just cleanse my face again, and I put on a toner, and then that's it. That is literally all I've done so far. But what I'm here to do this evening is to do an unboxing, and you're not going to believe what has arrived. Let me show you. I'm just in shock. I almost fell over when I saw the two parcels this morning. Both of them for July. They have both arrived. Right, I can't believe it. I literally only did the June box, what, last week? Not even a week ago I did the June box. So here we are. They did say that the July boxes are going to be on time, and here they are. So what is Birchbox? Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging. I subscribe. I've got two accounts, one for myself and one for my daughter. My daughter is 19 years old. She's of mixed ethnicity. She's got different hair type, different skin, different everything really, apart from blood. You know how it goes. With Birchbox you can do a profile, which they do kind of follow as much as possible. They're pretty good at sort of tailoring the box towards you as much as they possibly can. The thing I like about Birchbox is that you get a really nice variety of products. It's usually quite new products. You don't tend to get lots of old school products from way back when. They're pretty good at getting independent brands and innovative brands as well. So that's really good. The bad thing about Birchbox is that it does tend to be very small sample size products, and obviously the longer I do subscription boxes unboxings, I can see that, you know, there are other companies that cost the same amount of money, and you get better items. I would say the best comparison to Birchbox, we have the Ipsy Glam Bag. The original one is very much a sample subscription box as well, and that cost $12. It used to cost $10, now it's $12. Right, shall we go on and see? So I'm going to do my first one first. So obviously my box is with my profile. So I'm 51 years old. I am deep dark skinned. I have got, when they asked for hair type, I said I've got dry, very curly hair. I said my skin type is very oily, and I'm quite happy with the makeup as well. With my daughter's profile, gave her age, said that her skin type is what you'd probably call tan, sort of on the dark tan maybe. Just, I'd say tan complexion. She's got combination skin. I would say combination bordering oily, so we'll go with combination for now. And that's it really. And she doesn't wear that much makeup. She's okay with wearing it, but she doesn't wear that much. She's more an eyeshadow and lips and maybe a little bit of cheeks sort of person, and that's about it. Whereas I can go the full beat, you know how it goes. Right, let's get into my box. So let's open this up. Let's find the opening. Just can't believe this box is here already. I'm so shocked. Okay, looks like we've got a fruity looking box this month. So that's the box this month. So Birchbox always comes really pretty out of packaging, very nice packaging, and it's in a drawer style, which is really good for storing items in. So all good. Let's go in and see it. Hopefully there's a card. I really hope there's a card. Oh, before I do this, I should probably go through and see what I did with last month's box, even though I only did it last month. I still got the card here, so I can tell you exactly. Right, so the first item from the June box was the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I did put that in my June giveaway box, and Beth Triscott, she has actually received the box, my parcel today, so she's already sent me a direct message on Instagram. She told me that she's received it, everything is intact, so good stuff. So that did go in there. The second thing that was inside my June Birchbox was from Patchology, Rejuvenating Eye Patches. I did actually use that. I think I used it over the weekend. And yeah, fine, just a nice, it was just a nice eye patch to put under my eyes. I do like using eye patches, so that was just available and I just used it straight away just to put under my eyes whilst I was just chilling out. So that was all good. I haven't used the Magnetone wipe out cloth as yet, so I think I've put it in the wash. I haven't washed it yet, so it's still in the laundry basket to be washed, so it will get washed and it will get used. I have used the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek, so that was a little thing. I've got it here actually. It's a little thing like that. I have used it a couple of times. I think I was actually wearing it when I did my Ipsy video, which I haven't uploaded yet, but I did do an Ipsy video and I was wearing it in that, so I had it on yesterday when I did that video, and I literally just put it on my cheeks and that was it really. So it's one of those products where you can put it on your lips and your cheek. And the product I have used most often is from the Winky Lux. We got a concealer, so a shade matching concealer. There was only 4 shades available. I got the shade Rich. It was only a little teeny easy sample. If I've got it here, it should be here somewhere. I can't be bothered to look around for it, but it was a little incy sample of it. But you don't really need much when it comes to concealers anyway. You only need a little bit just to dab out. I got it in a shade Rich, and it was actually really nice. It's more my skin tone, a little bit warmer than my skin colour. And what I did yesterday, I just put it under my eyes, just like that, just around here. Okay, I think I put a little bit on these little cheek areas down here where I've always got sort of uneven sort of blemishes down there, and that's it. And I just went sort of natural face for the rest of the day. So it was good to get a complexion product from one of the UK beauty box subscriptions. It was actually really nice to receive that, so that was cool. So that was the June box. Right, let's crack on with the July box. Here we go. So open this up. Right, what do we have first? Okay, the first thing I can see is the product that I chose, but let me go to the leaflet first. So we have got a leaflet and it's all about Fruity Beauty. I can't think of a song, Fruity Beauty. Oh, I can think of Mtume, Fruity, but what was that, Juicy? I can't remember now. There was a group back in the 80s, Mtume, and I'm now thinking, was the words fruity or juicy? I can't remember, so I'm not going to sing it in case I make a complete utter fool of myself. Right, so here we go. So what's inside your July Birchbox? It says, hello Birchboxers, squeeze up to the last drop of all the fruit powered products you'll find in the July Birchbox. Embrace the warm weather and enjoy all the fresh new treats in your box. So the first thing we got, as I said, was the choice item. So it's a sample size of a brand we're very familiar with Birchbox, Glossybox, all the UK boxes, and it's from Dr. Paw. But I haven't received this colour before, so this is new. So this is Dr. Paw Balm in Hot Pink or Rich Mocha. If you already love the awesome hydrating benefits of the original Dr. Paw Balm, then you're in luck. This little tube contains all the good stuff of that classic formula with a hint of colour. Yes, thanks to the natural paw, it's just as hydrating as the clear balm, but this one adds a pretty pop of colour to cheeks and lips. Well, I'm not putting this on my cheeks, but I'm going to try it on my lips. Okay, so they have got the lip balm nozzle. Let's see what this colour looks like on me. You couldn't get any more perfect nude than that, really, could you? So that's what it looks like on me. Can you see that okay? Should I bring you in? Let me bring you in a bit. Yep, so that's what it looks like on me. Okay, and it's nice, it's rich, it's hydrating. Perfect, that's all good. Next thing we've got here is from Beauty Pro, and it's a sheet mask. Oh, we do love a sheet mask. So here we go, we've got a sheet mask from Beauty Pro, coconut sheet mask. This is a full size and it's worth £4.95. Oh, I didn't say the full size of this. So this is not a full size, this is about 10 mils, 15 mils, can't remember, but the full size of this is about 25-30 mils. So it's literally almost twice the size of this. So the full size of this is £6.95. This is only the sample size. So this sheet mask from Beauty Pro. So Beauty Pro is a product Beauty Pro is a brand we get a lot of in the UK beauty boxes. It's a coconut sheet mask. Say hello to calm, nourished skin with this luxurious coconut oil infused sheet mask with vitamin E and essential amino acids. This mask will help lock moisture into the skin for a fresh, dewy glow. And it's full size and it's worth £4.95. You know what? It has been a long day. I'm going to put a mask on now. Hope I don't look too freaky deaky by doing this, but I'm going to put this on now. I feel like I need a mask. How long do they say to keep this on for? 15 minutes. Yeah, I can come back. Get back to this. Oops. So it's really wet if you haven't seen one of these before. God, I always have trouble unpeeling things. Right, I'm going to leave that on for 15 minutes. There's, God, I was going to say I look like a doppy. A lot of you won't know what that means. So in Jamaica, I don't know if it's a phrase that they use in any other areas of the Caribbean, but definitely in Jamaica, anybody who is a ghost or something of the night of the beyond, they call doppy. And I would say I look very much like a doppy right now. Here you go, I've taught you a new word, doppy. Call it Jamaican for ghost. Alright, I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Right, here I am, done 15 minutes. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Can't be a sheet mask. Right, I'll let that absorb in. Right, next thing inside my box is... Oh, you're having a laugh! Another one of these! Okay, so what I'm saying is I've got another one of these from Ciate London, Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This product is definitely doing the rounds. I've already got two of these, but I'll show you. This is the one I've just received, and there's one, and there's the other. Right, here we go. Yep, three of these already. Interesting that the one I've just received doesn't look as full as the other two, and I've used both of these, but there you go. So I've got three of these now. It's a really nice primer though, so I'm not unhappy about it. It's just another one. So this primer, full size of this is £24. This is obviously not full size. We've got about 10 mils here, and I think the full size is 30 mils. So this is infused with watermelon. This unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear and added glow. With witch hazel extract, niacinamide, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, this primer helps to brighten and refine pores, while the watermelon extract droplets combat dehydration. So you've got niacinamide. So niacinamide is good for people who've got oily skin because it helps to control sort of sebum production, so that's good. You've got vitamin E, obviously, which is really good for the skin, sort of strengthen the skin and all that sort of thing. Hyaluronic acid, which is good for holding and locking in moisture. I think it attracts moisture to your skin and it locks it in, so that's all good. And you've got the primer and everything else, so that's a good product to have. So I'm not mad at receiving that again. Next is this. Oh, okay, I've got one of these already. Got one of these earlier on this year. Maybe in the last month or two, from one of the UK beauty boxes again. I think I might have got it from Look Fantastic maybe a couple of months ago. I know I've received one of these already. So this is Polar Sun Lotion SPF 50, very high protection, fragrance free. It is a nice SPF actually, because I have started using the one I've got upstairs already. And it is SPF 50, so if you've got very fair skin, this is what you should be wearing. I mean, I've got lots of melanin and I'm wearing SPF 30, so if you've got very fair skin, this is what you should be wearing, guys. Just saying, like, you know. So we have a multitasker, especially during the summer. This velvety formula offers a high UVA and UVB protection, fighting sunburn and premature aging, water resistant, light and non-greasy. It spreads easily and is suitable for sensitive and sunburn prone skin. So that is all cool. I'm not going to keep this because I've already got one and I've got loads of SPFs. I've received quite a lot in the last couple of months, so I'm going to put this one in my July giveaway box. So in it goes, bang, right. And the last thing in this box is from Clarine. So Clarine is actually quite a decent company for shampoo and hair products. So this is Clarine Nourishing Shampoo with Mango Butter. I hate it when they put shampoos in a box and they don't give you the conditioner to match it. You know what I mean? So we've got here a sample size again. Recommended retail price for the full size of this is £8. This mango infused shampoo nourishes and protects the hair shaft without weighing it down. The detangling formula helps to improve softness and shine, not to mention its gorgeous fruity smell. Plus it's free from parabens and silicones to help your strands feel healthy. So there you go. Let's have a little sniff, shall we? Gotta do that. Oh, not a bad smell. That's not a bad smell. That does smell reminiscent of mango. It's not too far from the real mango smell. So that's all good. I'll put that in the family bathroom. I bet my daughter will go towards that, but she might have one in her box. The August sneak peek. So if you don't want to know, turn away now for a few seconds. Sneak peek is from a company called Real Her. They're an okay makeup brand. And we've got an incredible bronzer or a goddess highlighter. So I'm probably going to receive the highlighter because the bronzer is not going to be deep enough for my skin tone. Alright, so there you go. So that's my box this month. Let me go on to my daughter's. She doesn't know that it's arrived yet. So this is my daughter's one. As I said, my daughter's 19 years old, mixed ethnicity. She's got loosely curly hair, what we call type 3 hair, but I really don't like going by the type system. Combination skin. So there we go, same thing. I'll just quickly go what she's got in her box, see what the differences are. So she's also got the Dr. Paw. She's also got the shampoo. She's also got the primer. Also got the sun lotion. The only difference is that for her sheet mask, she has got this one from Beauty Pro, and it's a thermotherapy warming gold foil mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10. So that's what my daughter's got. Okay, so that's the only difference between our two boxes. If you're subscribed to Birchbox, have you received your boxes yet? And what did you get? What are the variations that people are receiving? If you would like to subscribe to Birchbox, I do have a referral code down below. The referral code will give you, I think it's £5 off your first box, and it also gives me a £5 voucher which I can use towards buying something in a Birchbox site. I must admit, I have never, in all the time I've been doing Birchbox, I think I've only used it probably about 3 times. It's just so difficult to use the voucher because we get a 15% VIP discount once you're 6 months in subscribing to Birchbox. I can never get rid of my 15% discount, so I can use my £5 voucher, which will give me more money off. The 50% always supersedes the £5 voucher, and you can only use one promotion code, so I just never end up using the £5 voucher. Don't let that stop you from subscribing if you want to. Please use the referral code down below to get your £5 off your first box, so you'll get your first box for £7.95. Alright guys, hope that's okay. Hope you enjoyed the box this month. That's Birchbox arriving so early. You know, it's like grab my pearls. It's come really early. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this. All you need to do is press that subscribe button. And when you press that subscribe button, press the all, and that will make sure that you are notified for any future videos that I'll be uploading. Alright, take care, look after yourselves, stay safe. Bye.